This is very wonderful. What am I saying? Hi my loves, and welcome to another beautiful vlog. See, it's so beautiful to say hi and welcome to another beautiful vlog, because this is, let's say, the first or second vlog after my long break. All the same, welcome to another beautiful vlog, and please pardon however this vlog will go, because I'm still learning. It's not like I'm learning on the job. In fact, I planned vlogging in the market. Unfortunately, I forgot my phone, like content creator forgetting her device for vlogging. Just that I think I've forgotten most of these things and how to do them, but then I am learning again. I'm coming up again, so please support me, guys. Welcome to this beautiful vlog. I pray you enjoy it. You get me? Just wait, by see, I'm just coming back from the market. I would have vlogged in the market, but as I said, I forgot my phone, my vlogging phone at home. So I said, okay, when I come back, I'll show you the things I got from the market. It was quite a hectic one. See how I'm breathing. It was quite a hectic one, but let me show you the things I got from the market. Okay. I've even forgotten how to pin my mic. Hey, father. This is Hollandia milk, sorry. Hollandia milk, a roll. I got two rolls for 3,200. One is 1.6. So I got two for 3,200. But this is a flat slippers. Just ordinary knockabout slippers. Then this is white. The kids wipes. Wipes for the home, obviously. You need wipes. And one is 1.5 each. This is angel wipes. Yes, the blue one. And it's 1.5 each, which means three of them is 3,000 naira. I got curry leaf for stew. I want to make stew, so I got curry leaf. I got the curry leaf for 200 naira. I got this ugu for 300 naira. Yes, the lady said she was selling one for 200 naira, but I didn't price it, and she said to give me two for 300 naira, which she did, and also gave me one jar, one small tied one there. I mean this one here. Then this onion for 500 naira. I already have onion at home, but I just have to copy it, of course. I don't want to go to that market anytime soon. This is Gary. I already have Gary, so I just have to buy a top up. This one is 1.5. The yellow color, 1.5 for half painter. This is what? Pineapple, guys. I got pineapple. I think pineapple is in season now. I got 3 pineapples for 1,800 naira. 3 of them for 1.8. I want to juice it. This is coconut for 1,000 naira. It's inside here, please, just one. And I'm thinking of making pina colada. See, I just had the thought in the market. That's why I bought the coconut. When I make it, we'll see. All of us will do it together. Okay, here we have Nescafe 3-in-1. Nescafe, please, people should tag me. Nestle Nigeria Limited. People should PLC. Tag them. They should come and sponsor me. Oh. I drink this thing like any. In fact, can I stay a day without taking Nescafe 3-in-1? Is it possible? I've initiated my husband into it because my husband now lost it with me. Next is apple. What you call banga, palm fruit. I got this for 800 naira. Then I got 2 packs of groundnut oil, 1 liter each. 1 liter each. I got in this pack. In this pack, 1 liter is 3.5. 2 of them is 7,000 naira. But in the biggest pack, that's in the container itself, is 4,700. See the price difference. I say because of the packaging. So I have excess cans here. I'll find these ones in there. And this is oranges for 500 naira. Your girl is now taking fruits like mad, and I like it. I have onubu because I'll be making onubu soup. Bitter leaf onubu, and I got this one for 500 naira. This quantity for 500 naira. I got fresh pepper for 500 naira. Okay, in here I have stockfish. I got two small packs. Let me show you. 1,000 naira for these pinkly things. These small things. There are two inside with one small head of stockfish. So everything in here is 2,500 naira. You know this thing is? Tell me in the comment section if you know it. I mean, what people call it. Me, I will tell you my own, but in your own, tell me what you call this. Hope you can see it clearly in your dialect, in your language, or where you're from. We call this oba. This is oil bean. This oil bean. When I get the right name, if I'm right, you clap for me. Oh, clap for me in the comment section. But if I'm not right, I'll put it down in the. I'll put it down while editing. But then we call this oba. Oba. I'll use it for so many. You can use it for so many things. For abacha, for nkwobi, for yam sauce, for soup, for different things. But I don't know why I bought it. I bought 3 for 500 naira. I don't know why I bought it. I just want to preserve it in case something comes up. Okay, now this is fish. They've already cut it. So I got 3 big fishes for 6,000 naira. 2,000 naira each. I wish you saw when I was buying it. It's quite big, but you know how things are now. It's not be as big as it was then, but it's reasonable. Guys, see this. I got this for 400 naira. This is periwinkle. This is periwinkle. What am I saying? Periwinkle. You know it. You cook with it. Please. I saw one content creator cook with it, and people were just in our comment section saying, this is like let's say obstacle bondage. It don't make them enjoy their meals. My husband also does not like it. The children obviously will say it's stone. But we grew up with this. My parents, we grew up eating this because my mom made it very well. Maybe if you don't know, I was born in Calabar, so we lived in Calabar. We knew almost of their delicacies, so we were making this. My mom made this even when we came down to the east. She kept making this for us. I grew up with it. Getting married, my husband does not like it. Like, oh God, why? But then I had to buy this quantity. All these for 400 naira. So I'll be dividing it, just taking little by little, adding it to the soup. I will not dish it to any other person but me, because they will not eat it. But I like it. I bought this quantity for 400 naira. Then there's this woman there close by that helps in breaking it. You pay her to break it. She broke them for 300 naira. I don't know if you understand what they do by breaking. She broke it, sha. This is dry fish for 2,000 naira. This mortar. This is water leaf for 600 naira. One is 300 naira too. So this woman didn't treat me because it's looking small. I just left her to go and buy other things while she was slicing it. 2 for 600 naira. I slice my stuff in the market. I don't know if you do slice too, but me I do. Apart from ugu that would take out nutrients. I don't know if you've heard of that. I'll always slice my pumpkin, my ugu at home. So they don't slice and wash and all the nutrients will go off. I'll wash first before slicing. But since this one I don't see things going off, that's the water leaf when washing it. Slice in the market, make work easy for me. Because all these ones already are work. What's this? Oh, snail. Guys, I got snail from the market. 4,000 naira worth of snail. Periwinkle, the shelled one. Yes, a bit on shelled. The shelled one. Yeah, the body moved it from the shell. The other one I showed you is the unshelled one. That is the shelled one for soup, for vegetable, and which other soup? I'll tell you. Then in here I have oha. Sorry, it's already packed. Here is full for me to start opening this thing, but I have oha leaf, oha, ede, and ogiri. Guys, would you even know I took a short break? You don't even know unless I tell you, but my phone started overheating, so I had to let it rest a bit. Let me just round up this fast. So I got this wool. For 2,300. I like buying in pack like this. Normally I'll buy 2 to 3 rolls like this, but I just bought one today because I'll be making my hair tomorrow. So I got it for 2,300. Hope you're seeing it. Then I bought fufu. When is the last time I had fufu? I bought fufu 3 for 600 naira in the market. I bought alum. Sorry, what am I showing you? I bought alum for 100 naira, right? Yes, in the market. Then one more diced one more for my soup, vegetable soup for 500 naira. Yes. This is past 1. It's already to 2 p.m. guys, and I've been out of the house since morning. I've not even had breakfast. I've not had anything to eat. But I went to the market with my flax. Yes. I went to market with my flax to buy food because I knew when I come back there will be no food. Although I have breadfruit, okwa, my hubby bought for me last night. He bought 2 plates of breadfruit, okwa, cooked one. I ate one last night and put the other one in the freezer. Me, I wouldn't want to eat it today or when I come back immediately. And the kids went to school with porridge yam, which we ate yesterday, so they took the remaining today for school lunch. And we've just almost exhausted it, yes. There's basically nothing in the house now to eat it, unless I check the freezer. But then you know me now. I don't go to like food like that. Oh, before I forget, I got a crate of egg. One full crate of egg. Oh, obviously, I always buy egg in market. I bought one full crate of egg for 6,000 naira. Then I got the kids juices. Hope you can see all of them. The 3 of them. Nutri milk. I got Nutri milk for 9,000. Okay, sorry, for 5,500 abi. Then Hollandia milk for 9,000 something. Then Happy Hour for 3,500. Yes, everything I got here 18,000 for the 3 packs of milk of drink. If you follow this channel, I've already explained how these kids take it. So this is for the kids. I guess that's all I got from the market. If there's any other thing maybe lying around which I forget to show you, then pardon me, I want to go and eat now. I'm already tired, exhausted. I would have said let me start cooking because definitely there's no soup in the house. I have to cook this evening, but not everything. I have to cook soup this evening though. But I'm even asking myself who even sent me to make this kind of soup. If it was normal draw soup or bono or egusi, it would be very easy, simple. But this one, ofede, that's oha soup with uha and onubu, then vegetable soup that will demand pounding palm kernel, pounding and extracting palm kernel, you know, the oha, the onubu preparation, water leaf. I don't know who sent me. They are not just easy soups. But then let's see how far we can go. I'm already stressed. This to 2. I'll eat and rest a bit before the kids come back from school. Because I'll start cooking when they come back. Guys, see you. I might not carry along the cooking process because it will take time and it will make me cook late. But see you. Let's see how it goes. My beautiful people, sorry that I don't even have my mic, so I'm trying to shout so you can hear me. But so sorry that I'm not carrying you along in the cooking process. This is the next day. I didn't even start cooking immediately, but then see, forget how here is. I'm cooking the oha soup right now, but everywhere is a mess. The activity here is a lot. It's a lot. So I can't just put my camera, coupled with the fact that this kitchen is very small. But this is the cooking process. Like, I am busy. I am cooking. I would have carried you along, set my camera. But that will mean me leaving here the next day. It's already past almost 6 p.m. and I am just cooking. So please, see, my gas is very dirty. I have a lot to cook and clean up. Please pardon that I'm not taking you, along the cooking process, but I'm making vegetable and oha soup. After this, I'll be making stew. So please do understand. But I'll show you when I'm done. I'll show you what I've prepared. Oh,